Welcome to Heage Windmill, a striking piece of Derbyshire history nestled in the quiet village of Heage. Built in the late 18th century, this beautifully restored structure has stood the test of time, watching over the countryside for more than 2 centuries. Heage Windmill was originally constructed in circa 1797 by a local miller, although some records suggest earlier activity on the site. It was designed as a tower mill, which means only the top cap and sails rotate to face the wind, a more advanced design than earlier post mills. Fitted with 6 sails, Heage Windmill is unique, as most English windmills typically have just 4. These 6 sails allowed the mill to operate more efficiently, especially in the variable winds of the Derbyshire hills. The mill served the local farming community by grinding corn into flour until 1919, when it was finally abandoned due to storm damage and changes in agricultural practices. After standing idle for over 80 years, a passionate group of volunteers began the painstaking restoration of Heage Windmill in the 1990s. Thanks to their efforts, the mill was fully restored and returned to working order by 2002. Today, Heage Windmill is a Grade 2 listed building, and one of the very few 6-sailed windmills in the UK still capable of milling flour. It's not just a heritage site, it's a living, breathing symbol of Derbyshire's rural past. Whether you're here for the history, the engineering, or simply the view, Heage Windmill is a timeless treasure worth visiting, and one that continues to turn heads to this day.